Welcome to TFBTV's coverage of SHOT Show 2026, presented by 511 Tactical. Hey everyone, James Reeves, TFBTV SHOT Show 2026. You guys have seen this gentleman right here before, not only at IWA, but at SHOT Show. Thomas Spohr, the proprietor, the founder of Spore Revolvers. Probably the best revolvers on the face of the earth. No MIM parts, and we always have something new, it seems, at SHOT Show and IWA. Speaking of which, we also have Chris Rhodes with us. Chris.
Nice to meet you.
He's part of the team now, right?
Yes, I do all the importing now for Spore. I do all the repair work in the States. I shoot for them, all their custom work as well.
Okay.
Right there, Precision Shooting Supply in Wyoming.
All right, and then Thomas, we got to talk to you. Tell us about the new HSOT.
Yeah, for this year we have the new HSOT. It's based on an end frame, and yeah, we already released the end frame last year with the 44s, and for this show we now have an HSOT and 357. Yeah, take it out. You like to see?
Yeah, of course.
Yes, here we go. That's the HSOT. For this show we're only issuing the 6-inch version, but the other barrel lengths will come in summer, I think, and we also will have a conversion kit of 9mm. All that stuff will be in summer, late summer maybe. They go right now to Brewhouse in Germany, so we take care about all that stuff. That's where we are known for. And yeah, let's take a look. What it is what Spore's known for. We have no MIM part, as you mentioned. We have a polygonal cold forged barrel, and yeah, all the interior parts are made by EDM wire. That's very important to get a nice and uncreepy trigger. And then we have only Carl Nil grips now. They made the best wooden grips, I would say. Yeah, they are very great, and yeah, I really love that gun. And yeah.
So we have the 6-inch version, 8-shot, 357, 38, and of course we talked about the 44 Magnum in the exact same frame size. Last year, we're going to have what additional barrel lengths?
They will come in 6, 5, down to 3, 4, of course, all that stuff. So 4 lengths will be available in summer.
You're going to have 9mm conversion kits. Are you going to do DLC?
No, we don't offer DLC anymore. We are just going for the stainless stuff. If you scratch stainless, it's easy to make the surface look nice again if you just glass blast it. If you're doing DLC coating, I like that stuff really, but if you scratch it, it's hard to renew it, so you have to disassemble all the gun, and for the basic, we are now going out with stainless.
Yeah, for me, it doesn't bother me. I just take my DLC Spore revolver, I throw it in my car, and just pick it up from the floorboard.
It's hard to hurt that stuff, but it's easier with the stainless, and it's very reliable anyway.
As the viewers can see here, once again, very precise instrument. I've always been in awe of your work, Thomas, but now let's let him down gently and give him the bad news. How much is this son of a bitch going to cost?
$4,200.
Yep. Oh, that's not too bad. I mean,
it's
for
not
what
that bad, I would say. For that quality, you get a lot for that money, I would say.
We just lost 80% of the viewership, but for the 20% of you that are still here, how do I get one? When do they come out?
They are available at the moment, so we stock a lot and you can just drop an order, talk to Chris, and he will do all the other stuff.
And you can't give us a URL because of YouTube. So they'll take the video down. But if I wanted to say, what is the name of the company?
Precision Shooting Supply.
Okay, so if I look for Precision Shooting Supply, then maybe I could be lucky enough to get a Spore revolver. Am I going to see you at IWA?
Sure. We have a bigger booth now. It's in the same hall. I do not remember the name, but it is a great big booth right now, and we are also together with STP, like we are known for, and yeah, let's go over there.
And we're going to go see STP. Of course, I'm going to be at IWA, and so are they. We always bring them along, IWA and Enforce TAC. Guys, stay tuned. We're bringing more from SHOT Show 2026, and we'll also see you in Germany. Take care.